Hello lovelies, today I'm going to be reviewing this Handaiyan professional makeup eyeliner stamp. So I got this off of Amazon for, $12, and I already did one eye just to test it out and make sure that it actually worked. So one side there is the stamp, which goes on like that, and then on the other side we have just this pen eyeliner, which is quite a lot darker than the stamp side, but it still looks okay when in combination, as I tested out on this eye. So now let's try and replicate that. So I'm just going to kind of close my eye, grab my mirror, just kind of close my eye, line it up with where my eyebrow ends, so like kind of in that range. And then that one did not turn out that well. So I think like anything, this would take some practice and some getting used to, so I'm gonna try again. Just gonna wipe it off with a Q-tip. This is dipped in makeup remover, so it doesn't come off that easily. So again, I'm gonna okay, so those two look absolutely nothing alike, so I'm gonna try again. So my final thoughts on this are that if you already really are good at doing winged eyeliner or know how to do it, you really don't have any need to get this product. However, if you really suck at doing your winged eyeliner like I do, this is a great help and I definitely would recommend it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.